Hey, it's Bethany from Sendspark. I'm going to show you how you can use Snap Camera to apply a virtual background or lens with any video platform you're using. So this could be a recorded video in Sendspark or a live video meeting, Zoom or Google Meet or anywhere. Once you install Snap Camera, you're going to be able to use your own virtual lenses, virtual backgrounds, and beauty filters. So I'm recording this video with Sendspark right now, and I have a bunch of other video platforms open, so we'll see how much my computer can handle. But the idea is once you install Snap Camera here, you have this plethora of lenses to choose from. So I'm using the Fresh Look one now. I also have several other ones I like starred here. So this one's pretty natural looking, but you can probably tell like it looks a little bit nicer than maybe I normally would. But if I wanted to use makeup or a virtual background, I can click on a different lens, and now you can see I have some options. I got some sparkles. I can move this around to have different like lip colors. So I don't know, I'm digging the green right now. And then the cool thing is when I go back to my Sendspark video here, since it's using Snap Camera, I now have the new makeup lens. And right here on Zoom, you can see the same thing. It's going to automatically pull in the Snap Camera lens. So really all you have to do to use this is download Snap Camera to your computer. It's going to automatically become the default camera app. And then you'll just start seeing it in different places. And if you need to change it the way you do this, it's always a little different for the different systems, but you basically just want to choose where your camera is selected and make sure you have Snap Camera selected. Good luck, happy recording, and make some awesome videos.